Hi everyone, I'm Samita from Goradia Industries. Today I'll show you how to use endless ratchet straps. Ratchet straps basically an equipment to secure different type of loads. Help us to prevent the risk caused due to poorly secured load. Straps are very convenient for the user. Now you can see this is 125 mm endless ratchet. Ratchet consists of buckle and weaving. This is the buckle of the ratchet. To open and close the ratchet, we have to pull the lever. This is the lever. To open the ratchet, we can pull the lever. This is the slot. In this slot, we have to run the weaving. Adjust the weaving like this. This is the loose end of the ratchet strap. You have to pull it back through the pallet back to the ratchet. So this strap we have to insert in this slot. Pull it back from the down. Adjust the weaving as per your load. Keep it straight. The straps should be straight, and then start tightening by keeping the ratchet together and set apart. At 90-degree angle, the ratchet would be fully tight, and this is the locking position of the ratchet. Now we can turn. The ratchet is fully tight. The ratchet strap, we have to pull the lever. Put one finger here. At 180 degree, the ratchet would be loosen up. So the ratchet would be loosen up. We can pull the straps and take it out. So like this. Endless ratchets are very convenient to the user. Thank you.